Hey guys, I'm back, and I got a little special review for you guys out there. So this is a snack by Snacku. If you can understand what it means, blah blah blah. It's only sold in Asian countries, for example Malaysia, Singapore, and I mean, although you guys in US can never get this, but you can always check it out online. So basically this is the black pepper flavor, and it's in a small fun package. So you get all the blah 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 information at the back, barcode, and then expiry date, nutrition facts, and then stuff like so. But nobody really cares about that, right? So let's just open it up. Alright. So once you open it up, by the way, I'm gonna eat them. So you're not but you're gonna eat them anyways. So this is the real stuff that you get in the pack. So I like how I rhyme those words. Anyways, the biscuit itself all looks like triangle shape. No, wait, rectangular shape. It's pretty much best up. And notice how I ate the chips up. It tastes very nice though. Okay, so by the way, this is the first time I'm eating it. So, if you like this review, holy shit, it tastes so nice. Click subscribe and always like the videos. Thumbs up, and maybe I'll give you one. Come on, take it. It's right on the screen. Take it. Bye bye.